Hello guys, what I'm gonna show you today is how you can use a meat grinder but manual and electric, okay? Now, the prerequisites for this is that you need to have some processable meat, like for example from pigs, from cows, from chickens, but not wild meat such as deer or beer for sausage, okay? Now, what you have to do is you must own a meat grinder. For this, you can just come to the hardware store in here, okay? Hardware store, and then you can just come here to the terminal. And I wanted to buy a couple of different things. One of them is gonna just come to the food production and just buy the manual or the electric meat grinder and a pan, okay? The pan is gonna be used to collect the output, which is the meat, the beef, the mince, okay? So what are you gonna do? Once you buy that, it's gonna be in here. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna place the meat grinder in the ground, such as so. And you're gonna pick up the pan and you're gonna place it just here. You're gonna press E to install it. Now you're gonna grab the animal that you have killed, maybe. Okay, so for example, the raw meat from the pig or the cow. And that's it. You're just gonna place it in here. You're just gonna come here and you're gonna press E. And after you do that, you're gonna have to interact with the meat grinder. And if it's manual, it's gonna take a little bit longer. But then you're gonna have your meat in the pan. Thank you so much.